Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to set up a YouTube card on your videos so that people will stay and watch your videos longer. Before we get into the training, make sure you've clicked the subscribe button that you see in the lower right hand corner of your screen and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I create content on almost a daily basis and I don't want you to miss a thing. And then stick with me until the end of this video because I have a special training to show you on how you can get more leads for your YouTube channel within the next 24 hours. So let's talk about YouTube cards. YouTube cards are one of the most important things you can add to your videos so that people will watch your videos longer. You see, what YouTube is looking at in order to get your videos to rank higher on the YouTube search engines, they're looking at watch time. And the longer people watch your videos, the more relevant Google sees your content and they're going to rank it higher. So the big challenge for a lot of people is that people have a short attention span. And so people will watch and then their attention drops off. So what we need to do is we need to pinpoint where people are dropping off when watching your videos, and then you put that little YouTube card in at that point. And then what that does is it's going to make people, it's going to interrupt their pattern where they think they're going to leave and it's like, ooh, there's something else coming up that catches their attention, and they're going to want to stay and either watch your video longer or they're going to go and they're going to click on the next video that you have. It's very simple to do. All you need to do is the first thing you do is you come up to your YouTube channel and you're going to click on Customize Channel. When you do that, you're going to come back and click on Video Manager and you're going to come to a screen just like this. You're going to come down to where it says Audience Retention under the Analytics menu. And then under the Analytics menu, under Audience Retention, you're going to come up and you want to make sure that you've selected the last 28 days. And then you're going to pay attention to this box here which says average view duration. This is where you're going to find out where people are dropping off on your videos. So on this example, for the last 38 days, the average view duration on my videos has been 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Now don't let this number, if it's low, get you down, because this is the starting point where you're going to build that audience and you're going to build up anticipation where they want to watch more of your videos, especially if you're giving them high value. So then what you're going to do is pick a video. So you're going to go back to Video Manager and pick a video. You're going to click on the Edit button and then you're going to come to a screen just like this, okay? And then you're going to see these different tabs up at the top. What you're going to do is click on the Cards tab, and it's going to show you your video, okay? And then what you're going to do is see this little bar down here. This is the duration of your video. You're going to take this bar and you're going to drag it, okay, where the drop-off is from your analytics. So if we go back to analytics, it says 2 minutes and 18 seconds. I'm going to come over here and make sure that that is set at 2 minutes and 18 seconds. And then I'm going to click on Add a card. Now what's really nice is you can do a video or a playlist. You can promote another person's channel. You can ask for a donation. Or you can do a poll. Now a poll is really good if you're doing a YouTube live stream video and at the end you want to put a poll in, because people do watch replays of the live streams and you can get more interaction and retention time on your videos and get more engagement. Then down here is a link. Now this is where you can put a link to your website or to a lead capture page or sales page. However, you have to be a member of the YouTube Partner Program. So if you're first getting started, this is going to be disabled because there's 2 key criteria you need to have in order to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. Number 1, you need to have 1,000 subscribers. And then number 2, you need to have 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period. So when you're first getting started, you are not going to have this link enabled. So I would suggest put a video of another one of your related videos in as this card so that it keeps people wanting to watch your channel. So then what you do is you click on create, okay, and I've already done that, and then you can go in and you just select your video. And so this is going to show you recent uploads. You can go all the way down, or you can put in your YouTube URL as well. Now I picked one that, this one here is talking about, in this video, how to schedule your YouTube videos. And so I picked a related one on how you can fill out your YouTube description ahead of time and has it as a default setting. So that is a related video. So I put that there. Now what's going to happen is if you look up here, you see a little eye. If you click on that, this brings up the picture of the video, the thumbnail, and then the training. So that is one really cool way that you're going to get people, and it's really nice looking too, so that people are going to want to look at that. So I'm going to just quick close that. And then once you've added this, it automatically saves. So that's a really nice feature, and you can put up to 5 cards within your video, which is something you can do. But in the beginning, I would suggest just starting with 1 and then putting it where the minute you know your audience is starting to drop off on the videos. Now, what happens now is I'm just going to bring this up to my video here, all right? And I'm just going to bring this back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it up to, and I'll just play this really quickly. Okay, so this is going to come up to, when we get up to, now look up here. I have up here where it says check out my next video that just appeared. So this is going to pop up and they're going to be like, oh, what's this? And then if they click on it, there it is. And so now they're going to want to click on this to watch the next video. So there you have it. Very simple, very easy to do. It is going to get people to want to stay and watch more of your videos, because the key is the longer they stay, longer they watch your videos, the higher the probability you're going to get your videos ranked on the very top spot of YouTube. Did you find this video helpful today? If you did, leave a comment and share. And as promised, I want to share with you a great training that my good friend and video marketing expert Mark Harbert did. Now what Mark does is he is a YouTube marketing expert, and he created a 90-minute training where he's going to walk you through how to set up your YouTube channel, what keywords, using some free keyword research tools to make sure that you are getting you're getting your videos ranked on YouTube. He's also going to show you how to structure your videos so that you get leads. And here's the best part. He's included also a video PDF companion, which is 101 video creation ideas. It's just a 4-page PDF which walks you through all the different types of high quality content you can create on your videos that will get people reaching out to you in the next 24 hours to get leads for your business. Now, to get this free training, both the video and the PDF, all you need to do is go to www.drlisamthompson.com/101ideas, and then you click on this button right here, enter in your best email address, and then I will immediately send this training to your email box. Now, to get the PDF, all right, it's going to be right below this video here. So go to www.drlisamthompson.com/101ideas and get access to this training. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.